Strong nails require a fitness routine just like a strong, healthy body. If you have weak or peeling nails, or if you've picked off your polish or gel polish, IBX is the repair treatment that will strengthen your nails and help them grow. Like exercising to get in shape, you'll see results after a few weeks of treatments. What's totally new is that IBX is a treatment that fuses the layers together and strengthens the nail as it grows out. It's kind of like a green juice for your body and works from the inside out. The treatment is done in a salon about every 2 weeks and is an affordable way to maintain your nails during regular manicure visits. You can even use this under your gel polish to help protect the nail. It's applied just like a polish, but gentle heat helps IBX go into the upper layers of the nail. A nail lamp sets it, and IBX bonds to itself, not your nail, so nails become resilient, not brittle. It even helps to get rid of those annoying white spots. The result is a strong, healthy-looking nail that you'll want to show off, whether under polish, gel polish, or even bare. So ask your salon about IBX and find your way back to beautiful hands.